Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm creating an update video for the page background video that came out 2 weeks ago, because there is now a new feature that actually you can just add the backgrounds straight to the pages themselves. So just so y'all know, I record these videos far in advance. This feature I don't think was available, or if it was, it is kind of tucked away. So I do apologize, because there is an easier way for adding a page background on your websites here in the new classic editor. So all you really have to do is come over to the pages icon right here, press this 3 dots, and you'll see an option for page background. Here you can easily just choose an image and it'll apply it to the entire page for you, just like that. Now, if you do something like this, of course, your text and all of this other stuff is going to be really hard to read. So I suggest you go into your sections and give it like a background effect like this. That way the content still shines through the picture and it's not very hard to read or something like that. That way your content actually can be seen and it doesn't like fade into the background image itself. So once again, you can just come over to the section, change section background, and then just give it, you know, maybe 80 pixels or 80% opacity to the background, or maybe even 90 if you have a lot of detail in the background image. But yeah, I just wanted to come in here, create a quick little update, because I think this is a new feature that they added since they released the new classic editor. And since we record our videos in advance, I wanted to come on here and show you guys the updated method for adding a page background. But that basically wraps it up for this quick little video. I hope you all did enjoy, and I hope you find it a little bit easier. If you all did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix and Editor X content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.